Yo, what is going on guys? It is me PixBolt. Hope you are in a great day so far. So today I'm going to show you how to configure the time in SKMEI digital watches. So let's get right into it. So there are 4 buttons in this type of watches: the light, mode, start and reset. So in order to change the time, just press the reset button for 2 seconds. Alright, now we are in the time settings mode. So in order to change the time, just press the mode button. So currently it's 9:44 a.m. So let's change the time using the start button. 9, press the mode button again. 44. Let's put it 45. Press the mode button again. So this is the year. So now change that, press the start button. Alright, 2019. Press the mode button again. So this is the month. Let's change that to 9 September. Change this to 11. I press the mode key again. Alright, now press the reset button to set the time. Now the time is set. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, bye for now. See you guys in next video. Peace.